Welcome back. We're the Transport Bandits. I'm Cheryl, or Tennessee.
I'm Jeff, or Mr. Dimples. In this video, we got a little quick tutorial about how we hook up a camper, a towable.
This is a step-by-step guide, Bandit style, of hooking up your travel trailer.
So enjoy.
Okay, we're here with a shiny Gus. We gave him a bath, and we're picking up our hideout unit. It's going to Salt Lake City tomorrow. Right here, we're going to check the VOL against the number on the side of the trailer. Okay, we're going to come right around here, and we are going to check the number. Where are we? There we go. MN249693. Perfect. Okay, we're good to back up to the unit, and we are now going to hook up the electricity, make sure the lights work. Put your hazard lights on, and let's check the lights. Okay, we got lights working. Good to go there? Okay, we're gonna lace it down on that ball. I'm gonna take all the pressure off the trailer on the ball quite yet until we get the weight distribution hitches on. You want to make sure that your chains are crossed over like that. See? Crossed over before you put them in. We're good there. We keep all of our essentials right here and in our little baggie. And we're going to pull out our lock and our D-ring. And this is what the D-ring is for. We're going to hook it right here to our truck. Our dedicated breakaway cable thingamabob. Okay?
Hey, I'm sure that all your life you've hooked this breakaway cable to the hitch where you put your chains on. I did. Everybody else did. But DOT, in the government brilliance they are, says no. You have to hook it to the truck and not the hitch.
The breakaway chain.
Yeah, like your hitch is going to come off the truck.
That's right here.
Yes.
Have to have it dedicated to the truck, not your hitch. Right here. Taking off the propane tank cover so we can put the weight distribution swing arms on.
Sometimes putting these weight distribution bars on goes easy. They snap right in like they've been doing it every day. Other times you got to fight with them for 30 minutes to get them to lock in. I don't know why. You know, I've tried everything. It's just the luck of the draw.
And Jeff, are you just hand tighten that down, don't you?
I am. We'll just hand tighten it down pretty tight. Then the pressure from the jacks will hold that on good.
Okay.
Sometimes you have to leave 2, sometimes you have to leave 3 chains hanging. This time, this side was a 2-chainer.
Okay, see the little bar that we carry with us? Just get that, put that on there, and it's up.
You know, it really doesn't matter if you leave 2 chains or 3 links hanging. Just as long as that's good and tight, you'll be fine.
Okay, don't forget the cotter pins. Got that right there, Jeff?
Yeah, they're big ones.
All right, and your elongated necky thing on your locky thing.
Yep, the locky thing.
Locky thing, make sure your tongue is down. Put that through. And we do this, I don't know if anybody else does this, but we put the breakaway cable and the electrical cable through the lock.
If you have a long enough lock, you can do that.
Pull that back just a little bit. And we're good to go there. Keep all your essentials in your little baggie so that you'll have them when you get to the dealership, like your zip tie snips.
Now we can let the pressure off the trailer and onto the truck. See, it didn't squat at all. Because those bars are taking the pressure and even it out across the frames of the trailer and the truck. There's another pet peeve of mine. I don't know why they do it, because there's no electricity that goes to the spring. See this hot wire? It's all wrapped up like that, so it makes it difficult. And they've got electrical tape on the end. Okay, there's no battery here. There's no electricity here. Makes no sense to me. It just makes it a pain in the neck.
So when they shuttle it, right, it doesn't get anything on it, right? It's just a pain in the neck to unwrap all that tape to hook our battery up.
Taking this tape off is the longest part of hooking this trailer up.
Hey Jeff, this is about making RV transport fun again.
Yeah, it is fun again. I'm making it fun again by telling people not to put that tape on. Taking this little piece of tape off takes me longer than anything else on the hookup. And when it's cold out, I mean like real cold, you can't wear gloves and this tape is frozen like lead. Yeah, see when these bars are tight, that's taking the pressure off of the back of the truck and distributing it all through both frames, trailer and truck. It might help us sway a little bit, but that's not what these bars are for. These bars are weight distribution.
Okay, now I'm going to put our tag on the back while Jeff's taking care of everything else.
See the tag. Where's the zip tie at?
And the little baggie.
I'm going to go put the tag on, and I'm going to let Cheryl fight with that electrical tape because I'm tired of it.
I'll fight with the electrical tape. I love electrical tape.
All right, I've got the tag on. I've done just about everything I can. I've even done an inspection. Let's go see if Cheryl's got the tape off yet. How's it going, Annie?
I'm still working on getting it. It's coming. I think I'm going to get it all.
You got it?
Yeah. Maybe. Maybe not. And you don't want to use anything sharp to get this off.
Yeah, you do.
In case you damage it. That's what we were talking. Alright, I may have to use something sharp. Alright, this is going to make a real exciting video.
It is. People need to know this happens. I wish somebody had warned me of this before I took this job.
Alright.
Because that tape would have made me second guess being a transporter.
Comes to the battery, you know how to hook up the battery. Just make sure you put the strap on, and don't forget the battery once you get to the dealer. The battery, the plates, your papers, and then you're good. Okay, you want to zip tie your tag on there, and we're checking. Oh yeah, we want to take these things off. Come on. There we go. Take the little bumper. This doesn't have a spare tire cover, but these things, they fly off sometimes. So you're supposed to take them off and put them in the storage bin, and then we'll put those back on right before we get to the dealership. Okay, we're going to get our keys out of the hot box. There we go. There they are. Right there. Yay! Okay, make sure your lock box is secured back on. And now we're going to come up here to the storage area and use our keys to open the storage area to put those two little thingies in. And I go around and make sure all storage areas are securely locked down. This is your storage area. I'll just put these right in here. Put those right in there like that. And I'll make sure it's good and locked back. Okay, we're going to take our keys. We're going to open up the unit. This is the only time that I ever really open up the unit. You'll see the stairs here. We're going to take those down. Got the stairs down from the door, and you'll see inside, that is your paperwork. Right here inside the door is the title to the trailer. This is what you want to give to the dealer. when you arrive, along with your BOL and your dealer acceptance form. Also, there's just one other thing that I do while the door is open. We want to take a look inside the unit to make sure the vents aren't open. And this is where we store the propane cover. Just right here inside the door, so I don't have to get really inside the unit, because I don't want to take any chances on damaging anything on this unit. So I'm just going to put it right inside the door. That's where that propane cover can ride till we get about a little bit away from the dealership. Okay, now I'm going to go around and secure all the doors, latches, locks, whatever. Make sure they're all good and locked down so they don't fly open while we're going down the road. First thing you want to do is check out your unit and make sure that there is no damages whatsoever. Jeff is taking photographs, making sure that we document anything before we take off out of the lot. If there are a lot of other trailers around you, you want to pull forward to do this so you can get a good look. You're looking for any damages, dings, unsightly things that could be from the manufacturer that could make the dealer reject it. If you do notice anything that is wrong with the trailer, a tear or a bulge or something coming off. Also, make sure that cap is on. It's almost always hanging off, your sewer cap. Okay, it's pretty dirty. About the wash fees, you know how you always have to pay like well, you don't always have to, but a lot of the dealerships require you a fee for washing the trailer. That's where you are going to pay your $40 fee in cash when you get there, and then they reimburse you.
20, it might be 30. You know, it's different prices.
But it doesn't matter how dirty this thing gets. You pay them the $20, $30, $40 it is, and then you get reimbursed from your company.
All right, guys, let's roll.
Okay, we got one more step left to do before we can leave off of this lot, and that's to get that
We
dude.
gotta check our paperwork.
Well, check us out. Make sure we've got the right unit going to the right place. He'll check our BOL against the number on the side of the trailer, and then we're free to roll. Okay, now one last thing. When we pull up here to the little checkout station right here, then at the gate where you're ready to roll out, you want to check your BOL serial, your camper serial numbers to the title. So pull out your paperwork that you got from inside the camper and check those one last time before you leave this lot. All right, there's Gus. He's all ready to go. We're all hooked up with our 30-foot hideout going to Salt Lake City. Beautiful day here. This may be the prettiest day we've ever had to hook up, so we've had plenty of time to, well, not plenty of time, but, you know, didn't have to freeze our butts off getting everything ready. Mr. Bones is ready. You ready, Mr. Bones? He's ready to go. All right, let's do this thing.
So here we are. We're all hooked up. Cheryl's getting ready to go in and make sure our paperwork is right, and then we're going to roll. See you guys later. Subscribe.
Then the next thing you want to do before you start rolling too far away is you call your dispatcher, you tell them you've got the unit, you're rolling, and you call the dealership. Call the dealership, make sure they're going to be open when you arrive or plan to be there for delivery. You say, hello, my name is Cheryl. I'm with Synergy RV Transport, and I have a 30-foot hideout coming to your dealership. Is there any particular place or information we need to know about where to pull into or who to check in with? Always get a name, who you're talking to. And tell them that you're coming, when you expect to be there, and get any information from them that can make your checkout go smoothly. And you're ready to roll on. Let's go. Also, don't forget to push your tow haul mode if you have one on your vehicle. Okay, thanks for watching our tutorial on tutorial
Something like that.
tutorial
Thanks for watching how we hook up a camper.
That's how we do it. It may be right, it may be wrong. There may be steps we left out. We think we covered everything, but that's how we do it. And hope this helps anybody who is thinking about going into the RV transport business. How to hook up your travel trailer. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned to the same Bandit channel, same Bandit time for more wonderful videos. You know what to do.
Subscribe.
Transport Bandits
Out.
out.